doing, Carmen?
Yeah, something.
What you do?
I doing something like that.
Well, what you do with the bags? What you do with the bags, Carmen?
Say what? I doing something too. I want to be like that.
Were you playing with the bags? Huh?
Carmen, you can put them down, Carmen.
I'm doing something.
You're really not helping.
I'm doing
I
something.
said fix it.
I'm doing like you.
Are you trying to fix it?
You want to be 5'11", 220 pounds, and uglier than dirt?
No.
You don't want to be like Daddy.
I like that.
I like Daddy too, but he's a jerk.